Hey, future Earth savers? Welcome back. Ready to take the next step towards a greener lifestyle? So roll up those sleeves and let us dive into some fun eco-friendly hacks that'll make your kitchen more sustainable and stylish. Today we'll show you how to go plastic-free in the kitchen. It's easier than you think. Most kitchens rely on plastic wrap to cover bowls and keep food fresh. But did you know there is a better way? They might be convenient, but they're causing serious damage to the environment. You know those handy little plastic plates, cups, cutlery, and straws that we often use for parties or quick meals? They're not only better for the environment, but also for your health. Not only does it look more stylish in your kitchen, but it's also more hygienic. We all love it, but it shouldn't come at the cost of the environment. But don't worry, we've got some awesome alternatives up our sleeves. Those plastic bags and wrappers end up in landfills and oceans, polluting our beautiful planet. Not only are they made from non-renewable resources, but they also release harmful chemicals over time. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. So don't be afraid to experiment and find what works for you. By reducing plastic waste in your kitchen, you're not only helping the environment, but also setting a great example for others. So kudos to you for taking the first step towards a more sustainable and stylish lifestyle. Keep inspiring others, and together we can create a better future for our planet. Luckily, there are plenty of eco-friendly alternatives. First, consider natural materials like bamboo and hemp. These sponges are biodegradable and compostable, so they won't end up in landfills. And don't worry about durability. They're just as tough as plastic sponges, but with a softer touch. If you prefer something more conventional, try cellulose sponges, made from recycled paper and bamboo. These sponges are highly absorbent and long-lasting. So why wait? Make the switch today and give Mother Earth a break. But fear not, my snacking friends. We've got some brilliant solutions to keep your munchies fresh and guilt-free. Start by swapping out plastic wrap for beeswax. They're reusable, natural, and perfect for covering bowls and protecting your snacks. Or try glass containers with airtight lids. They keep your goodies fresh for longer and are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. And don't forget about the power of vacuum sealing. Vacuum sealers and bags can keep your snacks super fresh and prevent freezer burn. It's like having a personal chef who locks in the flavor. So say goodbye to plastic waste and hello to delicious, sustainable snacking. Get yourself a cool metal straw. These babies are made from stainless steel and are built to last. They're super easy to clean and look super stylish too. Whether you're sipping on a smoothie or a cocktail, metal straws are the perfect accessory. And if you're feeling fancy, why not invest in a straw bag? It's a great way to reduce plastic waste and support independent designers. Plus, it's a conversation starter and shows off your unique style. So why wait? Ditch the plastic straws and make a statement with your beverage of choice. Plastic squeeze bottles and pump containers might be convenient for storing and dispensing things like ketchup, mustard, and hand soap. But did you know there are better alternatives? For starters, consider glass squeeze bottles. They're made from recycled glass and are a great option for sauces and condiments. The smooth texture of glass prevents the formation of mold, and the bottles are easy to clean and reuse. And what about hand soap? Swap out the plastic pump container for a stainless steel soap dispenser. Not only is it more hygienic, but also incredibly stylish. You can even refill it with your favorite soap. Plus, it's built to last and won't end up in a landfill. So why wait? Make the switch today and enjoy the convenience of glass and stainless steel in your kitchen. Unlike plastic cutting boards, wooden ones are naturally antimicrobial, meaning they resist bacteria and odors better. Plus, they're durable and can last a lifetime with proper care. And don't worry about knife marks. A wooden cutting board is more forgiving than plastic, so your knives will stay sharp and your board will look great for years to come. So make the switch today and enjoy a better cutting experience while reducing your plastic consumption. Glass doesn't leach harmful chemicals into your food like some plastics can, especially when heated. Plus, glass jars are endlessly so you can feel good knowing that you're reducing waste. And don't worry about leaks. With airtight lids, your soups and stews will stay fresh and flavorful in the fridge for days. So say goodbye to plastic food containers and hello to a healthier, more sustainable kitchen with glass jars. It's a simple change that makes a big difference. Well, it's time to ditch them for good. Imagine hosting a party without generating any single easy plastic waste. Sounds impossible, right? Well, it's actually pretty simple. Invest in some nice reusable plates and cutlery. Not only will your guests be impressed by your eco-friendly choices, but you'll also reduce your environmental impact. No more plastic waste, no more dirty dishes. It's a win-win situation. So next time you're planning an event or simply having a picnic in the park, skip the disposables and opt for your wallet, and the planet will thank you for it. The good news is that switching to reusable alternatives is simpler than you think. Let's start with straws. Instead of plastic straws, use stainless steel ones. They're durable, easy to clean, and most importantly, recyclable. Or if you prefer something even more sustainable, try bamboo straws. These are biodegradable and compostable, making them an excellent choice for eco-conscious consumers. As for cups, it's time to say goodbye to disposable coffee cups and hello to reusable ones. Consider getting a high-quality insulated bottle or travel mug. This way, you can enjoy your beverages on the go without generating any plastic waste. And don't worry about cleaning them. Most of these bottles and mugs are dishwasher safe. By making these simple swaps, you'll significantly reduce your carbon footprint and contribute to a healthier planet. But fear not, we've got some tricks up our sleeves to help you avoid them. One easy switch is using reusable bags when shopping. Replace those disposable paper or plastic bags with reusable options like canvas totes or backpacks. Many stores even offer discounts for using your own bags. When buying produce, skip the plastic bags provided and bring your own. Mesh-produced bags or breathable cotton totes are perfect for fruits and veggies. And for bulk items, it's time to bring back the classics. Glass jars and containers are fantastic for storing dry goods like pasta, rice, and beans. Not only do they keep your food fresher for longer, but also eliminate the need for plastic packaging. And let's not forget about the power of labels. Clear and concise labeling on your containers ensures everyone knows what's inside and keeps things organized. So whether you're packing a sandwich for lunch or whipping up a batch of cookies, ditch the plastic and opt for reusable alternatives. It's a win-win for you and the planet. Beeswax wraps are an excellent alternative to plastic wrap. And here's why. Unlike plastic wrap, which is made from nasty petroleum chemicals, beeswax wraps are created from natural materials like organic cotton and bees. Not only are they better for the environment, but also safer for your health. When heated, beeswax wraps become moldable, allowing you to wrap them around any container, ensuring your food stays fresh longer. Plus, they're reusable. Just wash them with cold water, and they're ready to use again. To use them, simply remove the wrap from its packaging and put it over the bowl like regular plastic wrap. Now, you can say no to single-use plastics and yes to beeswax wraps, an eco-friendly upgrade for a healthier kitchen. From reducing waste to protecting our planet, these simple steps can change the world, one plastic-free kitchen at a time. Let's get started. First, let's tackle the basics. Now let's talk about plastic bags. Did you know that every year millions of plastic bags end up in landfills and oceans worldwide? Next, it's time to break the habit of using disposable plastic straws and cups. Okay, now let's tackle another major plastic polluter, single-use plastics. And here's an easy one. Swap out those plastic food containers for glass jars. Here's another great idea. Why not ditch the plastic cutting board and opt for a wooden one? Now let's talk about convenience. Did you know that 400 billion plastic straws are used worldwide each year? That's equal to almost 89 aircraft carriers? Alright, we all love snacks, but let's face it, the packaging is often a pain. Now let's tackle another kitchen staple. Those colorful plastic sponges might be convenient, but they're terrible for the environment. So there you have it, folks. Some awesome ways to reduce plastic in your kitchen.